Today, we'll learn how to use PDF Read Mode. Click the Home tab before clicking the Read Mode. Then the page will automatically hide other irrelevant function buttons, enabling users immersive reading. 1. Bookmarks. When the ebook is too lengthy to read all at once, we can add a bookmark and name it. First, right-click the bookmark to make some general settings. Second, click the bookmark to quickly locate the corresponding page. Last, you can group bookmarks when managing them. Drag bookmarks directly to the group. 2. View. You can choose one page or two page in the view according to your reading habits. 3. Rotate. If you encounter an inverted page during reading, you can click Rotate to set it right. 90 degrees clockwise rotation will only take effect on the current page. Rotate works for the whole document. 4. Annotation Toolbox. During reading, it's inevitable to mark or add comments to the content. Click Annotation Toolbox and select marking tools such as Highlight, Note, and Shapes to choose from the right navigation bar. You can set their styles and colors. Double-click the arrow symbol, and you can enter text annotation in the annotation window. 5. Comment Management. You can manage the comments you just added in Comment Management. Click any comment, you can jump directly to the corresponding page. 6. Note Mode. If the comments inconvenience you for hiding the text content, you can click Note Mode, with no need for moving them one by one. In this mode, all marked annotations will be uniformly placed on the right side without affecting your reading experience. These functions are perfectly suitable for reading. Come and try it.